Hello there, just a quick update on the GPR exhaust system that I have been given to test. Full disclosure, I didn't pay for this exhaust. GPR sent me the exhaust to try and I fitted it recently. So on the fitting video you may have seen, we tried it with and without the baffle. I've been running it without the baffle now for about 100 miles. So my first impressions when fitting is I think the link pipe is about an inch or so too long because the overall length of the whole exhaust system is about 2 inches longer than the standard. Now that means it is very close there to the pannier rail, as you can see. Now to get it to actually fit, I did need to twist the exhaust a little bit to be able to get it to fit without touching there. Now unfortunately you can see just in there that it has actually been touching due to the vibration and the movement. And then when I had a look underneath, you can also see now where the exhaust gases and things have been coming out of the rivets and running down. So you can see there. And also similar here. So where this isn't sealed and it's just pop riveted, we are getting some residue there of exhaust gases, and you can see some of the fiberglass coming out there. The exhaust does sound pretty good. It does sound different actually to the Scorpion exhaust for some reason. It does have a bit more of a tweety kind of noise on the overrun. So yes, that's my 100-mile impressions so far. I did give feedback to GPR about the length of the exhaust and how close it is to the rail. I feel that maybe an inch or so off the length of the link pipe would mean they can still retain the length of the exhaust silencer to try and meet the approval, but having a shorter link pipe might mean that the heel of your pillion interferes. I'm not sure about that. GPR, to their credit though, have sent me another can to try. Now I've had these up against each other and they are exactly the same length. The difference is the shape of the end. So this one has the single exit like that, as opposed to the end cap on this one. But I think that the end edge there and the end edge there are going to be roughly the same. Even more so that this has got a rolled out finish just on that end might make it even worse. But we're going to fit this one anyway at some point and give it a try. I'm not going to be rushing into that because personally I don't think it's going to give us any more clearance. But thanks very much to GPR for sending me a second one anyway. So that's it for now. I hope you've enjoyed that update and it gives you an insight to the GPR exhausts and their offerings. I personally wouldn't recommend it if you have the Voge luggage option, but if you don't have the option, then it is a well-priced exhaust and does sound pretty good. So I'm going to leave it there for now. So thanks very much for watching that quick update, and I will catch you in the next videos. See you later. Bye bye.